Old Duke's Drive, woodlands. Pleasantly open to the public by His Grace permission, because the council's put the motorway to Manchester through his land. He used to have a private road into Chester until then. Oh, white. Bluebells. I like them. Of course, these aren't true English bluebells. These are much taller than the original natives, and they're all now hybrids, like most things. I mean, like the British themselves are a bunch of mongrels. But it's a very nice bluebell wood and wild garlic, which I've never actually made anything culinary from, but then right. There are uses for wild garlic, apparently. Oh dear. Very nice. Of course, yew trees are the predominant ancient tree which was native here. And there are still plenty of those. Ah, that must be one because of the roots, I can tell. Oh, well, it isn't actually. There you go. You can't just look at roots. Anyway, we'll see one in a moment. That looked like an oak tree or something like a beech. I know, no, that's too tall for a beech. Although you never know. Ah, here come the yews. And the hollies. The holly bears are... No. The ivy bears a berry. Oh dear, I can't remember the song. As bright as any... something... Da 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 da. Sweet singing in the choir. Ah, there we go. Yew tree. You haven't got very big roots. That's a real tall one. Of course, one can in urban areas have yew hedges, which are very nice. Ah, there's more doggies. Oh dear. The sycamores are the most prolific seeders of all the trees. They get pooed out by birds, and then they grow anywhere. Nettles.
Your dog's rogering my dog. Oh, get up. It's a male anyway.
And then we get a lot of ivy. Now, ivy is not good if it grows up tree trunks. I do like tree barks. Don't know where the expression rogering came from, but anyway, take no notice. It's just... anyway. Ah, there's mistletoe probably growing up there. Yes, the dogs are reading the dog's toilet, newspapers rather. Where dogs have peed often. There's another yew. That's a young one. One will hear squawks. Oh, look at that little yew. That's actually quite a pretty one, isn't it? Of course, they're sort and sort. Oh, listen, there he goes again. Oh, not going that way, eh? Oh, la 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 la. Now, the yew is a lovely leaf. Yes, well, there's a load of... There's this naughty ivy growing up the tree, yes. Oh, there's that sycamore. Naughty trees they are. They get everywhere, as I say. Dogs poop them out, and the seeds, undigested obviously, start to grow anywhere and everywhere. Quite difficult to get out. You have to... I just snap them. There's a lot in the car parks. Not a sycamore inside. They're very nice trees. Of course they're very big. But you wouldn't want them around a house. Yes, these are the hybrids. What colour are the stigmatas? yellowish. Anyway, there are projects to try and track down what bluebells are. Hybrid is European anyway. Although I don't remember seeing any in Lithuania. I think I took some there once. To plant, that is. I don't know if they took the deer and elks will have eaten them. Et voila. I've got myself some Aldi shopping. They're more yew trees, you see. It's very, very beautiful. The ones at the entrance to the Nuffield Health Centre are gorgeous. You have to watch the ponds here. Dirty little things. Oh, look at those trees. And the birds you can hear. Don't know what that is. It's something utilitarian. Human needs. Yes, look at those parks. Well, it has rained a few times. It's now the 27th or 28th of April 2021. Ah, the calendine. The lesser calendine is a lovely yellow flower. I have some in my front garden actually, under the sun lounger. They like the shade mostly. Right. Got away from that horrid chap. This dog. Dogs just shake off another dog. You don't need a human to sort out rogering, whatever, humping I call it. Oh dear, 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 dear. The fact the dog was male is irrelevant actually. It's just overexcitement, it's not sexual. Humans and their sex obsessions, they've deprived all animals they own of any right to have sex. They think only they, the owners, can have sex, and the animals they keep are just toys. Yeah. So, whatever minor excitement one might seem to get from rogering, the expression, is a bit irrelevant. Seems to displease them. There we. Oh la la, must find that muzzle to groom you, Faya. Oh, what's happened to this? Something's chewed it to death. Yes. Oh, it's just falling off. Dying. It looks a bit wonky. Look at those roots of trees. You go bumpety bump if you're on a bicycle here, but it's still very good for bikes. Lots of hollies. There's the male and the female holly. And which one carries the red berries? Ah, that's the secret. I know, but I'm not telling you. Oh, there's another sycamore sapling. I need some wood management here a bit. It's not that serious yet, is it? Look at those lovely roots. They're like feet. Look at how tall those hollies are. Hollies, hollies, hollies. Oh, you've been chopped. Well, we've done a very short. Look at all that mess, eh? Why is that a big mess? I don't know. Because we don't do the guided tours anymore. I don't know why there's a lot of mess though on the bottom of that tree. Hey Faya, my petite chienne. I want to see at the end of our short walk the big yew tree roots. Yes, another little yew tree. No shortage of them. But they have rhododendrons. Oh yes, well they're not native. No one's ripped them out. Glorious flowers in the summer. Here come the roots starting of the entrance to the Nuffield car park. Look at those roots. Look at them. Splendid. Splendid. Look at that. It creates a lovely pattern. Of course, when it's very muddy, you don't see them so much. Look at that. It's like steps even now. Amazing, aren't they? Look at those roots. Well, I was reading that orchids actually, their roots are best in bark, not in soil. That's why they all die if they're in soil. Yes. You're a very big old yew tree. Oh, yes, it is. There's the chimera. Half human, half animal, whatever. Well, all animal actually, humans are too. And this is the drawbridge. To the car park. Off we go.